Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is the 7th part of this video series. In this video part we are going to learn about nested if conditions, or nested conditional statements. So let's start. First of all, we are going to create some variables. So let's say color equals black and type equals true, and let's see material equals plastic. Let me make it beautiful a little bit. And alright, these are just random variables. They don't define anything. They're just random variables containing random properties. All right, so you know how we write conditional statements. We start it with if, then we type a condition. If the color is black, then you come inside and you put wow, you are black. All right, now what is a nested conditional statement? That is one conditional statement inside another conditional statement. All right, so let me first create type equals false and material equals plastic. Puts this is something interesting. Okay, so we have created this this conditional statement. This is one complete conditional statement that carries inside of it another conditional statement. So this is a nested if condition. All right, the purpose of making this video is that you can create as many if conditions as you want, and you can also nest them one inside of another. All right, so this is one if condition and this is a nested if condition. All right, now what's the use of this? So let's say this defines these three properties belong to some antique piece, something that you want to collect, and you're looking for something that is black. There are many antique pieces. You visited a shop where there are many antique pieces are there in front of you, and your choice is you want to get something that is black. You are getting all the things that are black, and you are also getting things that whose type is false and whose material is plastic. Then you are saying, wow, this is really interesting thing. You're getting all the black things, but when it is black and also it is plastic, it's made of plastic and its type is false, then you are saying, wow, this is really interesting thing. All right, this can, let's change it a little bit. Let's see, brand, let me change this to a mobile phone. All right, so let's see, it's iPhone and it's made of metal. If the color of the phone is black, then you're getting that phone. But if its brand is, let me change it to Android, because there are many, and material equals metal, then you're saying this is really interesting phone. All right, so let's take a moment and understand what I've written in here. So let's say you are you're visiting an online store where you wanted to list all the black phones. All right, so what you will do, you will select black color, and you will watch all the phones, and you're saying, wow, you're black, you're saying all the black phones are awesome. All right, great phones. And suddenly you think you saw a brand, a phone from Nokia, and you came to know that its material is metal. Then you said, wow, this is really interesting phone. So you're getting what I'm saying? I'm saying that if you want to do this kind of filters or this kind of thing, then you will be needing nested if conditions or nested conditional statements. So let me save this and let me execute it, and let me show you how it works. So see, it says, wow, you are black. All right, let me change brand to Nokia, and now execute this. So now it's saying, wow, you are black, and you're also saying this is really interesting phone. All right, so this was actually pretty much all about nested if conditions. We can also change this metal to plastic, and then if we execute the same code, you're saying, wow, this is black, but this piece of code is not executing. All right, so if it is black, the thing which you are choosing, if it's black and its brand is Nokia and its material is metal, then only then this code will be executed. So this nesting conditional statements can be very handy when we are doing some filtration on search. It can be very useful in many scenarios, millions of scenarios. It can be very useful. So I want you to just think of different websites or web applications which you visited, and tell me what different kind of filters you have used, and think of how they can be implemented. All right, so this was pretty much all for this video part. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next part. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.